The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. Why is Tesla ditching traditional assembly lines for massive one-piece stamps? Based on Giga Press casting and the Unboxed assembly architecture. How will Giga Press castings change your car insurance and repair bills forever? Based on the strategic question regarding structural repairability and insurance metrics. What happens when Tesla stops writing rule code and lets AI drive purely by sight? Based on end-to-end vision neural network training. How does Tesla secretly filter and collect video clips of your exact driving mistakes? Based on automated fleet corner case telemetry filtering. What is Tesla's Optimus robot actually doing inside its factories right now? Based on deploying early-stage humanoid units into actual production lines. How can a modular megapack protect an entire city's power grid in under 16 milliseconds? Based on sub-16 millisecond grid balancing versus traditional peaker plants. Why is Tesla processing and refining raw minerals inside its own production loops? Based on local refining lines converting base materials into stable cathodes. How does Tesla safely stress test millions of digital driving miles every single day? Based on automated regression and safety simulation tracking. What triggers your Tesla to automatically upload a driving clip to its central supercomputer? Based on automated background telemetry clipping during driver interventions. How will humanoid factory workers rewrite the rules of manufacturing labor? Based on onboarding mobile humanoid workers to de-risk high-turnover jobs. Why is Tesla building custom blueprints to license its autopilot systems to rival brands? Based on formulating FSD licensing frameworks for legacy brands. How do superchargers predict a broken charging connector before you even plug in? Based on live power draw data tracking and predictive infrastructure maintenance. What are the processing limits of training a self-driving system purely on video data? Based on the processing boundaries of a vision-only machine learning loop. How can Tesla drastically lower factory footprints by building a car in separate pieces? Based on concurrent subsection manufacturing in the Unboxed architecture. Why is Tesla prioritizing global fleet coordination over minor individual software patches? Based on directing engineering focus toward multi-vehicle path prediction models. Pillar 5. Key activities. Tesla's operational focus balances heavy industrial manufacturing innovation with continuous deep learning vision training and automated grid asset deployment. 8 case studies in key activities. 1. Large-scale structural die casting, Giga Press re-engineered automotive manufacturing by using multi-thousand-ton casting machines to stamp complete front and rear underbody structures as single metal pieces, replacing dozens of individual stamped parts. 2. End-to-end vision neural network training. Continuous ingestion and processing of multi-camera vehicle video data to train deep spatial neural networks, shifting vehicle controls from handwritten rule code to pure vision-based behavior models. 3. In-house 4680 cell manufacturing, operating proprietary large-format cylindrical battery cell lines to scale energy density, trial dry electrode coating methods, and lower per kilowatt-hour production costs. 4. Automated regression and safety simulation tracking, running millions of virtual miles daily across automated software validation pipelines to stress test over-the-air firmware upgrades before deploying them to the global fleet. 5. Rapid industrial commissioning of megapacks, prefabricating and testing complete utility-scale battery enclosures at dedicated factories to allow quick, drop-in setup at regional electrical grid sites worldwide. 6. Factory assembly integration testing for Optimus, deploying early-stage humanoid robotic units into actual vehicle production lines to execute repetitive logistics tasks, refining operational balance and hand-eye coordination profiles. 7. Automated fleet corner case telemetry filtering, running background triggers across millions of customer vehicles to automatically clip, anonymize, and upload specific complex road scenarios for engineering analysis. 8. Predictive supercharger infrastructure maintenance, using live power draw data tracking across the global fast-charging footprint to diagnose connector wear and route repair teams before a stall goes offline. For open-ended strategic questions. How does moving from multi-stamped vehicle frames to massive, single-piece giga castings change long-term vehicle repairability metrics and structural insurance risk profiles for everyday buyers? What are the processing boundaries of a vision-only machine learning loop compared to using synthetic simulator datasets for training models on rare road anomalies? At what point does deploying an internal humanoid robotic fleet provide a better financial return on invested capital than expanding traditional, fixed single-task automation arms? How must internal infrastructure testing protocols change as the shipment volume of the industrial megapack storage segment begins to outpace core automotive production? For foundational explanations. Giga casting consolidation, substituting over 100 individual stamped sheet metal pieces with a single large structural casting removes hundreds of separate assembly robots and mechanical welds, lowering factory footprint requirements. The vision flywheel data loop. When a driver intervenes while using automated driving systems, the vehicle logs the incident data, packaging the visual context to train next-generation model iterations against that exact scenario. Unboxed assembly architecture. Instead of moving a complete car body down a traditional linear assembly line, Tesla builds major vehicle subsections concurrently in separate stations before locking them together at final integration. Sub-16 millisecond grid balancing. industrial energy storage software monitors grid frequencies in real time, automatically absorbing or discharging power to handle load drops faster than traditional fossil fuel peaker plants can react. For strategic implementation plans, expand high-performance training infrastructure, allocate capital to build out dedicated compute installations, scaling raw training capacity to handle more complex autonomous video models. Deploy next-generation manufacturing footprints, implement the modular unboxed vehicle assembly process across upcoming manufacturing sites to lower setup costs and accelerate production timing. Onboard humanoid assembly labor. Gradually transition specific factory logistics and component packaging tasks to early-generation mobile humanoid workers to de-risk high-turnover jobs. Standardize proactive infrastructure diagnostics. Install upgraded sensor telemetry packages within high-volume transit charging stations to identify component cooling bottlenecks early. For core implementation processes, ingesting and tagging fleet corner cases, sorting through thousands of submitted driving disengagement clips hourly using automated indexing models to highlight complex lane layouts. Stamping heavy structural castings, monitoring molten aluminum alloy delivery and cooling metrics under thousands of tons of clamping pressure within localized Giga Press setups. Orchestrating global firmware updates, managing secure, multi-tier software rollouts to customer vehicles globally without causing unexpected system downtime. Processing raw minerals into battery materials, managing local refining lines to convert base battery raw components into stable cathode configurations within closed manufacturing cycles. For actionable recommendations, prioritize network fleet coordination over small updates. Direct software engineering focus toward multi-vehicle path prediction models rather than minor individual vehicle driving patches. Formulate FSD licensing blueprints for legacy brands. Create standard software integration documentation to ease the path for external auto brands looking to adopt the vision-only driver assist architecture. Unify structural component specifications, match internal component and battery module dimensions across consumer and heavy logistics vehicles to reduce tooling changeover costs. Build direct recycling loops next to production cells. Establish component refurbishment facilities right alongside main assembly plants to quickly reclaim raw metals from scrap materials. For urgent to-do items, audit data transfer efficiency rates connecting on-field fleet camera uploads to the main machine learning storage systems. Draft operational safety frameworks for human facility workers working right alongside mobile humanoid robots on assembly floors. Review local electrical grid connection timelines for all industrial energy storage systems scheduled for deployment over the next quarter. Quantify raw material scrap percentages from active casting lines to optimize manufacturing alloy procurement models. For practical analytical techniques, spatial video in action modeling, analyzing continuous multi-camera visual datasets over time to build realistic spatial awareness rather than relying on isolated static photos. Ultrasonic structural testing, utilizing non-destructive sound wave diagnostics to confirm the internal density and strength of thick single-piece metal castings. Electrochemical impedance spectroscopy, measuring changes in battery cell electrical resistance on active assembly lines to catch internal production defects before packaging. Predicted geospatial optimization, mapping historical vehicle travel corridors against energy grid limits to pinpoint the best locations for upcoming fast-charging hubs. For concrete operational steps. 1. Filter fleet disengagement log. Step 1. Automated data sorting. Query the global database to extract multi-camera video clips triggered by a driver intervention during complex urban lane merges, filtering out sequences with low visibility or corrupted camera data. 2. Process and label spatial geometry. Step 2. Vector space reconstruction. Run the selected video frames through automated labeling engines to map the exact 3D spatial layout, road boundaries, and moving objects into a unified digital vector space. 3. Train neural network core layers. Step 3. Supercluster model iteration. Submit the processed visual training blocks into the primary AI supercomputing cluster to update the driving model's path prediction weight factors. 4. Run shadow mode verification. Step 4. Fleet safety validation. Deploy the updated model patch silently to a limited test cohort of customer vehicles to compare its simulated path decisions against real human drivers before full release. Want to pull back the curtain on the heavy engineering frameworks driving today's tech powerhouses? If you found this breakdown of industrial innovation valuable, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our upcoming operational deep dives. Head down to the links in the description right now to download your free study materials and handouts to master this business canvas yourself. While you are there, click through to get immediate access to our free, advanced chapter, online tutorials for an exclusive look at the exact operational steps used to train machine learning models at scale. Know any fellow builders, entrepreneurs, or tech enthusiasts who need a masterclass in operations? Go ahead and share this video with friends who might need it. The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice.